I did the thermostat housing on the same car, not this car, but same kind of car, same engine, last week. So that's right there. We got to take apart about the same amount of stuff. Haven't really worked on these V48s a whole lot. I'm a big BMW guy, but most of my experience is in the V58. I used to have a 2018 M240. It was a big turbo E85. It was a fun car. I made like 600 wheel on E50. All-wheel drive. Thing was a fucking rocket. I still regret selling that car, but I get bored of shit. I've had 12, 13 cars in the last 5 years. I think BMWs aren't that bad to work on, though. A lot of people complain about working on them, but my thing with BMWs is they're kind of complex to work on. There's a lot going on, and you have to take a lot of shit out of the way to do everything, but it makes sense. And when you take things apart in a certain order, then it comes apart nice. Whereas I, like Volkswagens, I fucking hate.
You doing Harrison?
Oh yeah, oil filter housing. Larry.
Oh, this one.
But no, I was saying, I fucking hate Volkswagens, and I feel like Volkswagens come apart like shit. What are you doing, Larry?
Huh?
What are you doing, Larry?
Oil filter to come.
Oh, really?
Yep.
We don't have one? Really? Is it the 4-cylinder? Yeah.
So I don't like doing that.
I'll come do it for you, Larry.
I get fucking upset.
I get upset doing everything. So I hear you. Yeah.
Why are you over there? I'm
Getting shit out of the way.
Why are you over there?
I'm just taking the intake off. I just like moving stuff out of my way. It doesn't take that much longer. I guess I don't really have to take this out. Come on, you little hooker. Too much what?
Black shit.
What do you mean?
Everything's black.
Oh. Would you rather it be white, Larry? Yeah. That's what I thought. I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna take this bitch-ass wiper cowl out. Thank you guys so much, all of you that watch the videos. It's crazy to me how quick my shit grew. I did not expect it at all. I mean, when I started making these videos, I had a feeling it was going to do pretty well, but nothing like it has or as quickly as it has. So I appreciate every one of you that watched my shit. I'm just gonna try and keep making it better and better every time I make a video. listen to what the people want. I got something in mind, a little surprise for once I hit 50,000 followers that I think is gonna be really fucking cool. We're coming right up on it, over half of the way there. It's crazy. But eventually I want to do some more shit than just working on cars too. I'd like to eventually, like I mentioned earlier, I've had a bunch of cars. I'd like to eventually get back into building cars a little bit and post some videos about the cars I have and doing shit to them and racing and all that fun shit. Maybe even some POV, like side-by-side videos, that kind of stuff. But we just keep growing the channel, and anything's possible, man. It's super cool. I'm wicked grateful. I'll be even more grateful once I can get this fucking manifold out. Oh, this is actually quite a bit different than the one I was working on the other night. Alright, 2 bolts out for this little harness shit going on down here. This one, and there's 1 bolt further down there. Y'all are probably not going to be able to see very well, but I'm going to crack them bitches loose and get this shit out of the way. Alright, got the harder one out. How fucking long is this? Here. Alright, so I got the bottom for this bolt out on the filter housing. Fucking soft. There's this one right here. Got 3 more to take out. This is really not fun. Here we go. I didn't record it because you wouldn't have been able to fucking see anything anyways. I couldn't even see it. I had to do it by feel. Where the fuck did my socket go? I'm gonna fucking throw something. I want to fucking throw something. Alright. This should be loose. There we go. I don't know how the fuck we'll get it out. There we go. That was a bitch. Delicious. Hold on, we need a little chino first.
Got the mating surface all cleaned up nice down there. Hopefully y'all can see. And I'm gonna fish this motherfucker back in there. Go. Beautiful.
Yeah! Turn this shit up, Quay. There we go.
Alright, I'm gonna tighten them all quick by hand. Make sure they're snug. Alright. Got the filter housing all tightened down. Kinda fish all these fucking wires back where they're supposed to go. Intake's about ready to go back on. They didn't get me intake manifold gaskets or the gasket for the throttle body, which I really wish they did, but can't have everything. Alright, now I gotta sort out the rat's nest here. That little fucker in there. Put that bitch in there.
Pause the music so I can hear this thing's blowing up when I start it. Alright, well, that's all there is to it for this one. I think it went pretty smooth for My first time really doing it. Like I said, I had the intake manifold off on another one of these last week doing like a thermostat housing or whatever the fuck is under there in the newer ones. This is a little bit different, but same concept, so I kind of had it fresh in my head. Keep that snapped in. That's it. I gotta put a fuck ton of covers back on, but I'm not gonna bore you all with that. So until next time. See ya.